Blessings, brothers and sisters. We're going to do a video here of bonding with nature. First thing you want to do is always understand your own energy system. Have a good feeling of it. Once you have a good understanding of how it works, how to move energy throughout it, simple stuff like that, then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna learn to feel the energy field of this tree. Or whatever it may be. You're going to learn to feel what it feels like to breathe with it. What it feels like to have the sunlight absorb in. All these little leaves on this tree are like the little hairs on your arms. They're for picking up light, they're for feeling energy, they're for transferring energy. Gathering nutrients, same thing. So once you're established and you feel that tree, you feel that your energy system is one with it, and you're in union, and you can start to breathe together. Move together. It's all a transfer of energy. We feel it all around us all the time. Whether you see it as wind, it's all energy, anywhere, all connected, right? We all pretty much got that one down. The tree has an aura just like you. If you go out in the day, like in the evening, it's probably the best time to look, lay down, even look out across the horizon. You can see an energy field around the tree, just as you would around any person. So the same way, you transfer energy through the tree as you feel energy through yourself, through that same exterior energy field that's around everything, that digital makeup that's making this energy signature be here, if you can see it that way. If you want to see it in a spirit form, then it's no different than looking at a cloud. And seeing the lighter parts and the darker parts of it, seeing it condense. Same energy fields are running around that. So you can use that that's running around here, and you can pull that in, and you can release that back out. Whenever you're bonded with nature, that's your best one for learning any kind of induction or anything like that. And trees are probably your best ones to bond with that. They spend all their time every day learning how to induct, find their energy. You can learn so many different things through nature. Your animals, they're great ones for learning how to transfer that energy. definitely good at it. They are your number one conveyors of the universal language. They know how to love. And that's all this is. That tree understands feeling and nothing else. It's the one true universal language. You can learn so many things from them, like how they find all of their nutrients in their water. They spend all that time in darkness, twisting their roots this way and that way, rooting through all of the things unknown until they find that water, that good source to supply them in life that they need. So, many things to learn from nature. Whether it's transferring energy, and you're working on that level, or you're working on internal levels and you're trying to release ego self, or many other things. Really, you just need to be held there, gato. Can't handle it. He says, we're talking about energy transfer. He says, I want some of that energy transfer too. Bond with it all. If you console mass or put yourself into the full spirit of that animal, you can learn many different things about how to transfer feeling like they do, how they're ready to give you full heart at the end of the day or beginning of the day, in the morning, whatever it may be. So number one, always feel your own energy system before you ever tap in to understanding or feeling anything else's energy system. Once you're internalized within yourself, then you can start to understand other things and get a feel for them, and they'll react to you then and want to react to you then. You know, your biggest thing is to not get discouraged too. You know, you just saw how I wasn't fully attached in and there wasn't any movement going on, and I just laughed it off. You just got to let it go. You can't get discouraged on any of this working with energy stuff. Sometimes you're able to tap in and sometimes you're not. But the biggest thing is understanding your own energy system. If you're not running 100% right, a lot of times this stuff won't let you tap in. It won't let you mess with it at all. So it's your biggest one. Stay centered in yourself. Find center wholeness within your heart. That's where we all need to be. It's a hard struggle. I'm there all the time trying to struggle to be there. So, but whenever you're done, you know, and you've had your good little enjoyment and your bonding time, this is not really a great demo because there's only just a little bit of stuff going on, but I'm also talking in this one. It's hard to do both things at the same time. So once you're done playing and you want to finish, you want to always make sure you detach from whatever it is. Be it your animal, be it the tree, be it a waterfall, a river, your pinwheels, whatever it might be. You want to detach so that throughout the day, whatever you're doing, going through highs and lows, are not feeding through that too. That energy needs to just be doing what it's supposed to do. It doesn't need to have you attached to it all day and being brought through all those other levels. So whatever you're doing, especially when it comes to any atmokinesis or any hydro, you really, because there's a lot of energy involved in those, you want to make sure you detach from them. Arrow tends to come and go quickly, so a lot of times, as long as you're not like too mad when you're doing it, it seems to release pretty easily. But always make sure that you shut off, leave that there. This is me, and release. Just always say thank you. And a full thank you. I always like to full thank you with every single chakra in line, turned on, full focus towards whatever I'm working. I'm beaming everything all at once, saying thank you from my heart. So, blessings to all of you out there. Find yourselves. Trying to find myself. Maybe we can change this world if we get a little control. Bless you again.